Hello children. In the previous class, we have learnt how to find out the mean of grouped data in the chapter statistics. Today we will learn how to find mode of grouped data. What is mode? We know the most often repeated score. For example, if the marks scored by 5 students in a test, 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, like that means, then 5 is the mode. In case of grouped data, which one we have considered as mode? Means the one having maximum frequency. The observations having maximum frequency. Therefore, a mode is that value among the observations. What is that observations? Maybe marks, maybe runs scored by a batsman, okay, like that and all, which occurs most often. That is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. Okay, the formula used to find mode in case of grouped data is mode equal to L plus, use a square bracket, then division line. Okay, then it comes F1 minus F0. See here children, mode equal to L plus, this plus and division line should be L plus and division line, they should lie on the same straight line like that, divided by 2 F1 minus F0. F1 like that can be remembered, minus F2 into H. This H becomes, okay, into H. What is that H or meaning of F0, F1? Just you see here, where L equal to lower limit of the modal class. What is that modal? Just you will come to know now. H, size of the class interval. Next, F1. When we do the problems by taking one particular example, you will get clear idea. Now just you know the meanings. F1, frequency of the modal class. F0, frequency of the class preceding the modal class. F2, frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Here we find modal and modal. Here also modal. Okay, then which one we have to take as modal class? The one having maximum frequency. Okay children, now look at once again the formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is the formula. On this, now we will take some problems. Okay children, now we shall try to find mode of this data. Okay, in this the class intervals are 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. It is what exclusive or inclusive class intervals, you know that. Okay, next F5 means frequency of what? The class intervals. Next, now in finding mode, first we have to get what? Modal class. Okay children, which will be the modal class here? Yes, according to the definition, the modal class is one having maximum number of what? Frequency among the given. That's why here, which is the highest frequency? 8. Hence, no doubt now it is the modal class is 3 to 5. Here, modal class is 3 to 5. Very important one, because that decides all the remaining factors. Correct? Now, the one, okay, what is the meaning of f naught? F naught, okay, first we shall take lower limit of the modal class. Lower limit of the modal class. Okay, in this, the lowest is 3 and the highest is 5. In case of exclusive class intervals, 1 to 3, that is that if it is repeating like this, in such cases, 3 to 5 means this number 3, that itself is what? The lower limit, hence the lower limit L is what? 3. Next, f naught. What is the meaning of f naught? It is the frequency of the class preceding modal class. Which is the modal class? This is the modal class which precedes this 1 to 3. What is its frequency? 7. That is f naught. That is 7. Hence f naught equal to 7. Next, f1. Frequency of the modal class. We know frequency, that means modal class is 3 to 5. What is its frequency? 8. That is frequency of the modal class. F1 is 8. Next, F2. F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. This is modal class which succeeds this 5 to 7. What is the frequency of this class? It is 2, hence F2 is 2. What else we need? One more factor is the size of the class. In this case, how do you find out size? Very simple. H minus L, highest minus lowest, like that. Therefore, 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3, like that and all. Hence, the size of the class is what? 2. Now, therefore, mode. We have to calculate. Mode, put a question mark. Okay, we know that. What is the formula for mode? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Correct? Now therefore, here I made little mistake. What is that mistake? See, this is not the way to write. Plus and here division line. Therefore, here this L plus division line and even the mode. So therefore, just a discipline. That's all. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, children. Now, therefore, what is L? Let us substitute. We know the value of L is 3 plus F1. F1 is 8. What is F1? Once again, we should recall. It is nothing but F1 is frequency of the modal class. It is 8 minus F0 frequency of the class preceding modal, that is 7 divided by 2 into F1 8 minus F0 that preceding 7 minus F2 succeeding, that is 2 into what? H. H is size of the class, it is 2. This is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7, 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is what? 16 minus 9, it is 7. Into 2. Into 2. Simple one. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now, take it to the rough work. 2. Okay, divide by 7. 0.7 2s are 14. 6. 7 8s are 56, 4. Okay, that's enough. Or we shall have one more. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 6, 7 8s are 56, 4. Then add 7 5s are 35, like that. Now therefore 3 plus 2 by 7 is what? 0.285. Therefore, the most often repeated score in this data is 3.285. Okay, children. So therefore, be very clear, because here we have more number of notations, signs, etc. Hence, be very clear. The very important thing is deciding the modal class. I hope you got it. Yes, children. Today's assignment, just only 2 simple problems. Find the mode, class intervals, and frequencies. You know now. First, we have to get the modal class. Modal class, according to the definition, what? The class having maximum number of frequency among the given in the same way. Okay, children. Okay. We will continue next class. Thank you.